So we're going to look at division using area model as a strategy. Area model is something you've used with multiplication, and we're just going to show you can use that same strategy with division. Area model also allows you to think of it as how many parts are put together for the whole. So if you think about it, if we have 432 M&Ms, we're going to share this 432 M&Ms with 12 friends. So if we think about, well, okay, then the area model framework, we could say, well, okay, we have 12 friends. What if I gave each friend 10? Well, that'd be 120. Remember, we're trying to get 432. What if I gave each friend 10 more M&Ms? 120. If I gave each friend 10 more, 120. What's neat is that's 360. We know 360, so 432 minus 360 means we still have 72 M&Ms left. What if we have each friend 6? So we know we add all that up. That gives us all of our M&Ms. So in other words, we could give away 36 M&Ms each friend because we know that 36 groups of 12, or 36 times 12, is 432. So just think about how the inverse operation works. You also could have done it this way. Maybe, when you think about your bar, maybe you say, well, I'm not going to give, I can give larger groups than 10. What if I gave 20? Because we know 20 12s is 240. Still give away 10 more, it's 120. Still have the 72 left. So there's our 6. So again, that still gives us our total value of 36. So just remember, area model is another way you can do division, where you're just breaking it up into parts. So you're saying, okay, what parts come together to make it? Because we know the whole box, or I should say the whole rectangle, or the whole shape, it doesn't have to be a rectangle. It's usually more efficient to use it as a rectangle, as a value of all of your M&Ms in this case, or it could be whatever you want it to be. Okay? Hopefully that gives you a little guidance when you think about division and area model.